I boarded a flight recently, and a man boarded the flight with an emotional support parrot. I'll repeat myself. A man boarded an airplane with a loose bird. And they were like, "Come aboard, sir." And here's the thing, he was not a wizard or a pirate. Just a regular man with a macaw on his shoulder. It's like, his name's Crackers because he likes crackers. Kill yourself. Open the door, push them both off. The bird will be fine. I'm not mad at the bird. This was not Crackers' decision. This is purely on the man. But here's the thing, Crackers was the problem. Birds understand what it feels like to fly. So when the plane took off, the bird felt like it was flying. But it knew